Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a traveler in the booking.com application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it, and here in this page you should just select the first option, which is manage your account. And you can just select here in this page the last option, which is other travelers. And if you want to add a new traveler, you can just press on add new traveler down below, and you can fill out their first name and last name, the date of birth. You can select their gender, and you have to check mark this thing that it says here, like I can confirm that I am authorized to provide the personal data of any co-traveler and all the other stuff that you can see there. So you can just check mark it, and after everything is done you can just press on add new traveler, and basically the new traveler will be added to this page here. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.